Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Friday afternoon from the broadcast booth above the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And the clock is ticking down to a holiday weekend here in the United States, so you know exactly what time it is, right? It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. It's almost time for Memorial Day. Yes, summer is around the corner. It's also happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now stocks, they're mixed this Friday as geopolitical fears following President Donald Trump's move to cancel a key summit with North Korea was being balanced throughout the session by solid corporate earnings, as all three major indices currently on track for weekly gains. Now keep in mind the markets, they will be closed this Monday for the Memorial Day holiday. But a string of solid earnings reports this session has helped keep equities on track for weekly gains, with Foot Locker adding to optimism after it easily beat Wall Street expectations, posting earnings per share of $1.45 versus expectations of $1.24. It also posted revenue of $2.03 billion, also ahead of expectations. Even more interesting, President Donald Trump saying today that his administration has restarted dialogue with North Korea following his cancellation of the historic summit. In his words, at the U.S. Naval Academy graduation this afternoon, Donald Trump said, "We'll see what happens. We're talking to them right now." High-end jeweler Tiffany Co, meanwhile, having one of its best weeks on Wall Street, the company's stock rising more than 23% after reporting that same-store sales rose 7% in the quarter, overshooting expectations of only 2.6%. And with U.S. new orders for U.S.-made capital goods seeing strength, let's combine all of that to take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out not just the session, but the week as well. And with that stated, kick back, relax. I'll see you guys all next week. But remember, it's Memorial Day weekend. A lot of Americans, we like to go out and barbecue. I like to go out to the beach and surf. We all like to catch up with our family and friends, have a drink, some great conversation. It's a 3-day weekend where Americans, we enjoy the company that we have around us, and everyone loves it. We hit the road. Even Wall Street is empty today. But I want to say the following. I come from a military family. And a lot of people here at the New York Stock Exchange, especially on the floor, they have a military background. And I know a few of our friends, they're veterans and they're active duty military members. And with all of that stated, let's all take some time this weekend to remember that Memorial Day is not really that much of a holiday. It's more of a remembrance period, because Memorial Day is also known as Decoration Day. It's not just an ordinary holiday here in the United States. It's actually a day in which we remember, well, we Americans remember those who died while serving in the country's armed forces. We remember those who made the ultimate sacrifice for us to be sitting here, for me to be sitting here, talking to you, you watching on your iPad, iPhone while grilling poolside. These men and women, they fought and paid the ultimate price so that we can enjoy the freedom and liberties we have in this great nation of ours. I'm James Sweeney, a proud American, a patriot, and asking that every one of us, sometime this weekend, take some time, a moment of silence, possibly say a prayer, if not a moment of silence, and remember those who died protecting this great nation of ours so that we can be sitting here and enjoying the weekend. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.